Hi, my name is Yoganand. Welcome to Yoganand Tech Talk. As I have given some information in my previous video, how to find the best university, top university. So if anyone missed that video, you can follow through that. And this video is just only how to apply the visa, and especially for postgraduate students. If any undergraduate students wanted to know how to come to UK, I am making another complete video series for undergraduate students how to apply. Again, the link is in the description. You can just open it and we follow through all that videos. For post-graduation students, once you receive conditional offer, you will have to submit the required documents, which includes your English language levels. So after that, you are going to receive unconditional offer. That means the final confirmation from the university. Once you receive unconditional offer, you will have to then prepare for your application of visa. So you don't have to go through any agency for this unless you are interested to do it, but you can do it yourself. You just open the website, the link is in the description. You can directly apply for the visa and just follow through. So once you receive your unconditional offer, this is the requirements that you have to have in your hand to apply the visa. The first important thing is passport. Make sure that your passport is not expiring near enough, maybe in a 3 months time or a 6 months time. So just check the date before you apply for your visa. And next thing, please check your unconditional offer letter as you expected the course and everything is included. So the next document that you have to have is CAS, Confirmation of Student. So you will get this document from your university. This has some electronic information of your course and your college will give you this CAS. I will make another video how to obtain this CAS. So after this video, if anybody really want to know how to get the CAS, you can just follow through that video. So the next thing you have to prepare is proof of your funds. The funds which includes that your tuition fee and your 9 months of looking after costs once you move into UK. So if you are living outside the London, you will have to show something around 1013 pounds or something. And if you are living in London, inside the London, you will have to have 1334 times 9 months into your account. So you cannot just simply transfer the money before you going for a visa. Please don't make that mistake. I've seen a lot of students make that mistake before they going to the visa. They will just transfer some money into their account. But make sure you have that money in your account for the past 3 or 4 months. So from January 2nd, 2025, this amount will be changing. If you are applying for a visa after 2nd January 2025, this amount will be changing. They are changing to 1400 and something for if you are living in inside the London. If you are outside London, 1136. These are all your living costs. I know most of you think that as soon as we go to the university, we will get a part-time jobs. But don't always think that you will get a job. Yes, you can get a job. But don't trust that. You have to have some money in your account. So you have to show that proof for your visa. The last thing that you have to have is a written consent for your financials. If your money is paying by a bank, obviously the bank will produce a letter for the visa. Or else if someone else is paying for your studies, like your parents are looking after your studies and your living costs, so they will have to give a written consent that we have no objection and that money is that I am going to pay for your tuition fees. So this is the important documents that you have to have. And I can give you some advices like, every document you just print it and keep a hard copy. I know you are applying online for your visa, but the better habit is like you have to have a hard copy in your hand. And now I will just go through how to apply and what is the website that you have to open. As I said, the link is in the description. Open this link. I will just follow through quickly. But I cannot continue all the way application. I will just simply guide you through how do you apply and how to start. From there, you will have to continue your application. All the very best and follow through other videos and comment, subscribe, like the video. And I'm going to give you some more videos on this, how the UK is and what is the current situation, how to apply the jobs and where to live. I mean, if you are living in a student accommodation, hostel is completely different. That if you want to take a flat and you live, how much the rents are, how you will travel, and what sort of travel tickets that you have to buy. And I'm going to make series of videos about this. So please subscribe to don't so that you don't miss that videos. Okay, thank you. So this is the link that you have to apply your student visa. Just click on apply online. You just go through. So if you are applying from outside the UK, just start now, select the process, and you just say yes, England, that you're going to apply for, continue. And if you have a current EU, EEA, or any Swiss passport, because if you are applying from India or any other countries, obviously you'll have to say no, and then click continue. Select the country where you are applying the biometrics from. For now, I am giving you India. You just select the India and click next. So check available visa application center locations. So there are some visa center locations you have to check. Yes, you can say I have identified the location where I will provide my biometrics. So just click on next. And then student visa, you just read everything. Just don't just go through, read everything. If your eligibility and the requirements and the fees, everything you have to apply. So once you think that you have all the required documents and eligibility, just click on apply. So there is a procedure from here. You have to register, type your email ID, and then retype the email ID, save and continue. Once you click save and continue, you will see these. There are so many things. One, you have to follow application. Number two, number three, documents and declaration, and then after that you have to pay, and then further actions. So once you give the email ID, it will take you the next section. So just follow through this. I cannot apply because I'm not a student. I'm just showing you the procedure.